everybody, welcome back. Wanted to do a little holiday gift guide since I don't have any watches to review at the moment, but this is going to be a holiday gift guide of gifts that aren't watches, so things that are watch adjacent or watch gifts you can get your watch loving friend. First up, I think these are really cool. These are also, by the way, going to be in price order, so I'm going to go lowest to highest in my opinion. But these are watch related art prints that are printed on, nice Fujicolor crystal archive paper. They're really cool. They're like old school designs that's clearly one of the Rolex patents there from Switzerland, Montrese Rolex SA. These are like really cool. I may get these and hang these up in my place, especially for $20. Those are really cool. I think that would be a cool gift, and they're made here in the United States and North Carolina. Up next, just a nice little leather watch pouch. These are always great to give people who travel and maybe want to bring more than one watch and put one watch in their backpack while they wear another one. It comes in a variety of colors, which I think is really nice, and only $23. I'd be maybe a little hesitant. Is it really good leather? Is it not? But, that's a good price point, and I think this is a really cool gift for watch fans. Up next is a book that I own and really love, A Man and His Watch. I know this is really talked about in the watch community, but it's kind of just a nice little book that has tons of pictures of watches in it. It doesn't look like anyone's posted any here, but it's just kind of a love letter to watches. It's a really cool book. It's hardcover. It is very gift-like. So if you give this to somebody, it will look like a gift. And they make a variety of other ones. A Man in His Car, A Man in His Kitchen. So this is clearly a series of some sorts, but this is a really cool gift to give. And it's just a really cool book on watches, and it's just a cool gift to have on your coffee table and, kind of a conversation prompt. I like watches. On to the next. Always nice to give somebody a nice repair kit. This comes in a nice little kind of packaging. The ones that I've explained and shown before really aren't very gift-like. They're kind of just cheap and put together. But this one looks like it comes in a very nice kind of 155-piece box, which is it's a really nice looking gift situation. You got a ton of extra spring bars and everything. You have all the tools you'll need to basically start. It's as suitable for beginners and professionals. If somebody is well versed, I don't think this is a great gift, but for $30, this is a really good entry level toolkit to give somebody who wants to just start getting into working on their watches. Next, this beautiful watch presentation case. This is for $75. A really nice kind of desk, maybe in your bedroom. This is the most gift-like one we've had so far. Obviously, the price starts to go up now because you are getting more into overall gifts. But this is just a really cool gift to give somebody who has more than one watch. Sorry, my brain exploded there. And wants to kind of organize them, put them out, make them a kind of centerpiece, make them a display point in their home. It's very gift-like. And on top of that, you can go up a little bit. Oops, that's the wrong direction. And get them a watch winder that is for mechanical watches, but then has the ability to also store things. So it's kind of like the best of both worlds there. You have the display, because when it's shut, it is displaying your watches. And it then also works in the sense that it's a cabinet of some sort. You can put things on the top or bottom. It also comes in other sizes. Really, really cool. And then finally, this isn't really a gift, but it's if you know somebody who enjoys watchmaking and they don't have one of these, you might want to get them a time grapher. It's a very detailed, specific piece of watch kit that if you're working on watches, you kind of do want to have one. But if you're just diving into it for the first time, it's not going to be the best gift to give somebody. It's kind of out there. But this is for the real, watch fans. So that's up at $148. There's some that are more, there's some that are less. But these are just my, 7 random picks for what I think are very good watch-related gifts to give people. You get your art, your watch storage, your horology books, and some tools to build your watch well. So grab these. I'll have links all down below to Amazon where you can get them all. And let me know what you guys think. Which ones would you want as gifts?